Is it too early in the new year to ruin my snack healthier edict from last week? Yes, probably it is. Do I care? No, I don't, because I have chosen other forms of self-care. Observe my beslippered feats. And mental health is important too, hence why I am absolutely exploding my kitchen and my significant other with kisses. And because baking relaxes me and produces something delicious for me to share and or cram into my own mouth at high speeds with reckless abandon, I think I'm gonna double dip into the pot of wellness by baking my favorite cookie, the peanut butter blossom. See the egg? That means this is healthy food. So, there you go, that's what this cookie is. And it starts as so many cookies do with the dynamic duo of healthy eating habits, fat, and sugars. So to a bowl goes half a stick of softened butt, half a cup of white sugar, and half a cup of brown sugar. Healthy. While we cream those together using our hands, thus engaging in a workout, see, healthy living, if you were wondering what my second favorite cookie is, it's a raspberry thumbprint. It's where you do like a shortbread kind of thing and put raspberry jam on it and drizzle it on with a little bit of royal icing. Maybe my big thing is I just like round stuff with stuff in the middle of them. Yeah. Anyway, before time marches too forward into the new year, we need to establish a little bit of a protein base for our salad, which, unless you're allergic, will for these purposes be peanut butter. And I use a low sugar organic variety, so even more healthy. Thank you, Mr. Universe. I will accept your sash for strongest ever in the world foreverest. We also need to add a little bit of vanilla, because that's like the baking equivalent of Parmesan cheese on spaghetti. Like, you don't have to have it, like you could do without it, but you're not doing it right if you weren't. Uh-oh. I don't actually have vanilla. What else do I have? Chocolate liqueur is basically the same thing, right? I have no idea, but they both have alcohol in it, so why not? In it goes, down the health hatch. Feels like a good idea to add an egg right about now, so that's cool, because eggs is 1-to-1 with salad, because people put hard-boiled eggs in salad like all the time. So healthy, these cookies. What a good series of decisions I'm making. Next, we need to add 3/4 of a teaspoon of baking soda and a half teaspoon of baking powder, which probably has health benefits, right? I don't know. Hang on, let me check. People say I don't do research. I'll skip the AI, that's bait. Feels like the basic answer is no. But hey, salad dressing has no intrinsic value besides making a salad edible, so just consider these leavening agents kinda like a salad dressing. Why not? Now for the lettuce of the baking salad. We need flour, which adds up to 1.5 cups, but unlike lettuce, if it's green, don't eat it. Words of wisdom from someone well experienced in doing silly, very stupid things. Now for the sealing and refrigerating, which occurs for half an hour to up to 48 half hours. If you want, the longer it goes, the nicer it ruminates in its flavorful impact of the dough or whatever, I think. In the meantime, you have the amazing opportunity to do half an hour of power yoga, which is great, and that's definitely what I'm doing, not trying once again to replicate the Hershey Kisses Christmas commercial. Time now once more to preheat our oven. 375 seems like a strong but fair agreement carefully negotiated between us under mutual discourse of respect and shared goals. This oven's on thin ice though, let me tell you. It's constantly running cold, which is annoying because it still beeps to tell me that it's up to temp even though it's not. Unlike my old oven, remember that one? Yeah, good times. It also ran cold. Anyway, these kind of cookies need 2 finishing touches, which is to ball them up and roll them in some of these health crystals, which are holistic, for cleansing and realignment of your gut microbiome probably, and for tasting good. Put them onto a baking sheet without parchment because I am practicing self-care in the new year. Do you see how parchment has hurt me over the years? I've learned. I've laughed. I will live. Now, make sure you count how many of these you have, because you need to make sure you lock that number in for your unwrapped kisses. These cookie salads may now go into the oven salad bowl. I don't know. I'm really losing my script here a bit. Hang on. Looking at the things. Hilarious joke about parchment. Okay, here we go. 8 to 10 minutes. Unwrap these kisses. Wait, camera's out of focus. Unwrap these kisses and how many did I need? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exactly 20. The number of cookies on our tray, the number we determined ahead of time. Also, check out my little horseshoe scar. That's what you get when you make biscuits in a cast iron skillet and gently rest your arm on it because they get very, very hot and you don't always know that they're on there before it's really too late. Anyway, maybe I'll get a tattoo or something to spruce it up. New year, new me and all. Ring-a-ding-ding, thanks for the thing. And for our final touches, we need to press and seal these kisses into the center of these crackling little gentle folks. It is hard for me, I hope you understand, not to cram these into my mouth right now. The melty period before the kisses reharden is like a golden era, like a real swift Eras tour of chocolate peanut butter madness. Did she do a song about that at some point? It doesn't matter, because our salad is done, and it's flawless, and I am beaming with health. Delicious. So let's ring in the new year with these thingies, and enjoy the health benefits of this, chef's favorite cooking. Thank you for watching A Cooking Thing, and we'll see you next time. It just goes so fast, and I only have 2 hands.